Hi, welcome to Tech Tips and Tech Stuff. My name is Ron, and today I want to show you how to change your search engine in the new Microsoft Edge. It's very simple. Let's go to these three little dots up here. Go to Settings. Go to Privacy and Services. Address bar. Bing is recommended. I'm switching mine to Google. It's more accurate. And you're done. Close out. Open it back up. Now, watch. Let's try, I guess there's something different here. Let's go with, cooking. So now Google is now your default search engine in Edge. If you found this video helpful in any way, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching.